everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to share my review on L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid range. There is serum and gel cream in this range and I have tried both. But before we get into the details, let me request you all to please subscribe to my channel, and also if you are interested in cooking, please subscribe to my cooking channel HNB's Kitchen. I'm providing link in the description box below. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Before we start the actual product review, let me start with what is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is an ingredient that is naturally present in our skin. Basically, it is an ingredient that hydrates your skin, that plumps your skin, and that holds the water. It is like a water magnet. It attracts the water or moisture from the environment and from deeper layers of your skin. So when you apply hyaluronic acid on top of your skin looks instantly plump and hydrated. As hyaluronic acid present naturally in our skin, why we need it topically? Because when we cross our 20s, hyaluronic acid concentration goes on decreasing, and that's why we see lots of skin aging problems like fine lines, wrinkles. I already use hyaluronic acid moisturizer, that is a Clinique moisturizer, Clinique Moisture Surge, but I never use serum with hyaluronic acid. So I thought of giving try to this hyaluronic acid serum by L'Oreal Paris, and then I thought of giving try to their gel cream as well. So now we'll dive into the actual product review. Both the products come in cardboard outer packaging. So this red packaging is for the serum, and I have bought the small packaging, and this purple one is for the gel cream. Here also I have bought the small packaging. So let me first start with the hyaluronic acid serum. So this is the serum bottle. This is 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum. I like the clear packaging of this. This is the dropper packaging. So this bottle is 15 ml bottle, and this is 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum. They have given the instruction you have to use it daily before your moisturizer. So you can apply serum just right before your moisturizer. Once you cleanse your face, apply toner. After that you can apply this serum. If you don't use toners, then you can apply serum directly after cleansing your face. Let me show you the consistency. It is very lightweight and it easily gets absorbed into the skin and gives instant plump skin. So this is the consistency, and I really like the dewy effect once it gets absorbed into the skin, and your skin literally feels so plump and hydrated. I'm loving this serum for two reasons. First one, it is very lightweight. It can be used by any skin types. Second thing, there is no fragrance in this product. Daily basis face products में अगर fragrances है तो थोड़ा irritation होता है. मेरी eyes थोड़ी sensitive है, मुझे irritation होता है. But I like this serum because there is no fragrance. It is lightweight, easily gets absorbed into the skin. The formula for hyaluronic acid is 1.5%, which is also good. So far so good. I'm loving this serum and I'm getting great hydrated and plumped skin. Whenever I get up in the morning and wash off my face, I feel so much hydrated and so much plumped. Hyaluronic acid serum you can apply morning and evening after cleansing and toning. I mostly like to use it at night to give hydration boost to my skin. In daytime I go with vitamin C serum, and at night time I go with hyaluronic acid serum. That's what I follow and works best for me. Let's now talk about the gel cream. So this is a Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Day Cream. So they have said this is day cream. You can apply it during daytime. There is no SPF as such in it, so you have to apply sunscreen on top of this. So this product is 15 ml, and you can use it for 12 months after opening. This is 15 ml product, so it is quite travel friendly. So this is the actual gel cream. If I talk about the fragrance, there is fragrance. There is kind of citrus fragrance to this cream. If you love fragrances, you can definitely go for this cream. It gets easily absorbed into the skin, as you can see, and it instantly makes your skin so soft and supple, I really love the texture of this product. This is lightweight but gives hydration to the skin. Let me talk about the ingredients of the product. So there is glycerin, there is dimethicone in this product, there is isohexadecan as well, and sodium hyaluronate, which is form of hyaluronic acid, and along with that there are so many other ingredients. There are two things which I think are little bothering to me. One is citronellule, which is kind of fragrance, and there is fragrance. Otherwise the cream is awesome. If you don't mind the fragrance, this cream you will love it, because the texture of the product is too good. It instantly plumps your skin. It gives that right amount of hydration. It is suitable for all skin types according to me. Oily skin type also gonna love it, because you can see how much it has moisturized, and though it has not given any sticky residue or any sticky effect on my skin. So you can try out with the small packaging, because there is 15 ml package available, so you can try out with this. So friends, in short, I really love both the products. Serum I'm gonna continue, but about the cream, if there wouldn't have been any fragrance, I would have bought the bigger packaging, but I will switch to my Clinique Moisture Surge along with this hyaluronic acid serum, and I will try both in my night skincare routine, and I'll update my skincare routine soon. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.